we came with this idea that we can use and re-engineer birds and dead birds and make them as a drone. And the only thing that we need to provide them to make them alive is to basically design an actuation mechanism, put it in their body, and everything is there. So they have their tail, they have their wings, they have their head, the body, everything is there. So we do reverse engineering. We'll calculate what has been the weight of the bird while it was alive, what has been its flapping frequency, what flapping angle they have flapped, and just create something similar. This is a smart platform with the 3 tracking systems, which we can track any flying objects inside of this netted cage. So we have built this experimental setup in order to study the formation, flight, or flock of the birds, how each bird save energy depending on their positions in the flock. Cannot deny, this is a new research that we have introduced to the research communities. We cannot deny the application of this for other types of military types of application, but what we have been focused is mainly civil application and specifically to understand the wildlife or monitor the birds.